No. Oh, hello. I thought it was time for my show. But since you're here, let's talk about telling time. To tell time in Spanish, you'll use two things you already know: the verb ser and numbers. First, to ask what time it is, use ¿qué hora es? To give the time, use es la with una or son las with all other hours.
Es la 1. Son las 2. Son las 6.
As in English, you express time in Spanish from the hour to the half hour by adding minutes.
Son las 4:05. Son las 11:20.
For 15 minutes or a quarter past the hour, say y cuarto or y quince.
Es la 1:15. Son las 9:15.
For 30 minutes or half past the hour, use y media or y treinta.
Son las 12:30. Son las 7:30.
You express the time from the half hour to the hour by subtracting minutes from the next hour using the word menos.
Es la 1:15. Son las 3:15. Son las 8:20. Son las 3:10.
To ask at what time an event takes place, start your question with ¿a qué hora? To say at what time something takes place, use a la or a las plus the time.
¿A qué hora es la clase de biología? La clase es a las 2. ¿A qué hora es la fiesta? A las 8.
Here are some useful words and phrases for telling time.
Son las 8:00. Es el mediodía. Es la medianoche. Son las 9 de la mañana. Son las 4:15 de la tarde. Son las 10:30 de la noche.
Well, that should do it. You've learned how to tell time. You also learned how to ask what time it is or at what time something begins, like a class or a TV show. Son las 7. Time for my favorite game show.